Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use marketing in Salesforce. This is a powerful way to organize, track, and measure your marketing campaigns all in one place, making it easier to see what's working and drive better results for your business. First, go ahead and open Salesforce in your browser. Once you're logged in, look for the app launcher, which is the grid icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the search box that appears, type campaigns. From the results that populate, select campaigns. This takes you to the campaigns hub where all your marketing activities will live. Now, to start building your first campaign, click the New button. This opens up a form where you'll configure all the essential details for your marketing effort. Begin by typing a campaign name that clearly describes what you're promoting. For example, you might call it Spring Product Launch. Next, select a campaign type from the drop-down menu. You'll see options like Event, Email, Demo sign up, and others, so choose the one that best matches the nature of your campaign. If your campaign is already live and running, go ahead and check the Active checkbox, then set the status from the dropdown to reflect the current stage of your campaign. After that, you'll want to set your start date and end date. These dates help you define the time frame during which the campaign will be active, which is essential for reporting and performance tracking. If you'd like to add more context, scroll down and fill in the description field. You can also complete the planning section by entering details like expected revenue and budget cost. These fields are incredibly useful for tracking ROI and understanding the financial impact of your marketing efforts. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the campaign record. Your campaign is now live in Salesforce and ready to be populated with leads and contacts. To do that, open the campaign record you just created and scroll down to the campaign members related list. Here you can click Add Leads or Add Contacts to associate the people you're targeting with this campaign. This step is crucial because it allows you to track engagement and measure how your audience is responding. As an optional step, you can use the Activity section within the campaign to stay organized. You can send emails, add new tasks for follow-up, or add new events to keep your team aligned and your campaign moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully set up a marketing campaign in Salesforce, complete with targets, timelines, and tracking details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.